Part 2, firecrackers. Package. Care package. Yeah, I got a big one for you guys today, you know. Get everything in here. Showers, Roman candles, rockets, feel me? Missiles, everything. And we're gonna start off with the flashing strobe. It's flashes of light. Now this right here is a basic firework, you feel me? It doesn't really do anything spectacular. So yeah. Next, we get the jumbo ground bloom flower, 4 pieces. It emits flame and sparks. It spins on the ground too, so you know, like I really like this one. It's by Mega Banger.
And yeah, he has he bought all this fireworks today.
Yep. I spent about 2 G's. You feel me? 2 G's on both packs. Next we got them Saturn missiles. Battery 25 shots. You feel me? You know, this base too. You feel me? Like I get this about every year. You know, this ain't nothing new to me. Ben had these. You feel me? Next we got that little goosebumps. Little goosebumps where sound like a rapper. You feel me? It's by Great Grizzly. It shoot flaming balls and reports. 16 shots. You feel me? Little goosebumps. Next we got Garden of Eden by can't think of the name right now. Kaplan. Yep. Image showers of sparks, shooting flame balls, and reports. So you be surprised about this one. You know, I'm really excited for that one. You feel me? The next one, Kaleidoscope by Mega Banger. Fireworks. The image showers of sparks, shooting flaming balls, and reports. So about the same thing, it's just smaller. You feel me? You know, we're a different brand. Maybe we get that Twitter glitter. That Twitter glitter. Image showers of sparks, shoots, flaming balls, and reports. You know, how this is nice for me. Even got the birds on it, so you know it's Twitter. Next we got the huh? No, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Oh no, I don't know what that is. Alright, so you know, we got the magical color candle fireball. You feel me? 6 pieces. Basic, you know. Get this about every year. This ain't nothing new to me. You feel me? Alright, yeah. Oh yeah. By Shogun. Chinese firework brand. Next we got this big snow. And the big snow shoots flaming balls also. Probably imagine it being blue. Since, you know, the thing blue, feel me? Like, yeah, you know. We got 2 more left. We got the Mega Banger Blue Star with report. Image shower of sparks, shoots, flaming balls, and reports by Mega Banger. So by the picture, you feel me? Like it make it look like you know, spectacular. So I don't really know. Hopefully it's like this, you know. So yeah. And last but not least, we got that Cheerio. Cheerio, but it's Cheerio by Great Grizzly. Image showers of sparks. Actually, when I first saw this, you know, I thought it was like Caillou, something like, you know, one of them old shows, you feel me? Like, yeah. But it seemed like, it seemed like girl stuff. That's all I got for y'all today. See y'all next week. All right.